Hi students, today we are going to study about the uh, physiographic divisions of India. In this chapter we have already studied the geological regions of India. Now here in this video we are going to study about the physiographic divisions, means how the geographic divisions are divided into further physiographic divisions. The difference between the physiographic and geographic divisions is that in the geographic divisions we studied about the land masses, how they are formed and what they are made of, and similarities between the uh, forming of the land masses and the similarities between the uh, various material and the time they are made. In the physiographic divisions, we will study how the physical features look from above, or uh, how it is different from each other. So in this chapter, we will study about the physical divisions of India. Physiography of an area is the outcome of structure, process, and stage of development. Means how does the physiography of the area took place? Structure means what is the structure of the land, what is the structure of the land masses. Process, the process of becoming those land masses, or the process of uh, formation of the earth, and the stages of development and the various stages. As you know that any physical feature take a lot of stages, or go through the lot of stages is to take the present formation of the place. So the land of India is characterized by great diversity in its physical feature, and as we already studied that the land of India have the great variety or diversity in its land formation, because all the land masses of India are not made up by the one particular process or in the one particular time period, because the peninsular block has the different formation, and the northern plains or the Ganga Brahmaputra Indus plains have the different types of the formation and the time period. Same mountains, the Himalayan mountains are made up by the different process and at the different stage. So there is the diversity between the land masses of India, or the land form of India. The north has the vast expanse of rugged topography consisting of the series of mountain ranges with varied peaks, beautiful valleys, and deep gorges. On the other hand, the south consists of stable tableland with the highly dissected plateaus, denuded rocks, and developed ridges of scraps. In between these two lies the vast North Indian plains. Means the north mountains have the high mountain peaks, deep valleys, rivers, and the beautiful deep valleys and the gorges. On the other hand, the south part of the India have the stable tableland, means which is permanent, and which have taken it's a mature formation. But in the north, the mountains are still in the engage, so they are changing. They are still, the changes are taking place. But in the south, the landform is very rigid, hard, and it is denuded rocks. Denuded means which are uncovered, जो ऊपर से पूरी तरह से घिस घिस के निकल चुकी है, या जो उसका सॉफ्ट पार्ट था वह हट चुका है, और वैसे ही बिल्कुल डेवलप्ड एरिया है। और इन दोनों के बीच में गंगा प्लेन जो नॉर्थ इंडियन प्लेन्स हैं। So if we see the different formation, different parts of India, physical divisions of India, there are, okay, so you can see in this map the parts of India, or the physical divisions of India are marked by the different colors. If you let's see about the first one. Uh, so physical divisions of India. The first one is the northern and northeastern mountains. Uh, in India, in the north also, there is the variety in the mountains, there is the diversity in the Himalayan mountains. They are not altogether same, but they have the different landforms. If you see northern, if you see here in this area, these are the northern mountains. See there. And we know that in the between the in the north part of India, there is the Nepal also, another countries. So those are those also the part of the Himalayan mountains. But if we see there are the another mountain ranges, this northeastern mountains. These are little bit different from these northern plains. So these are the mainly two types or the two portion of the Himalayan mountains. First one is the northern and the another is the northeastern mountains. And if you go to the second one, physiographic division of India is the northern plain. These northern plains lies in the south of the Himalayan mountains. Here you can see this green area starting from here to here. These are the northern plains of India. This lies between the southern plateau of India, the southern plateau, peninsular plateau from here to here, between these northern mountains or the Himalayan mountains. This is the complete area. If you are able to see this complete area starting from here, starting from here, as we studied earlier, that in the north it is parallel to the Yamuna and Ganga Brahmaputra rivers. As you can see, this is the Ganga river, Ganga and Brahmaputra river. So it makes the line or the rough parallel lines to the Ganga and Yamuna rivers, and then completely it covers the north south part of this. Complete is the peninsular plateau of the India. It is made up of the hard rocks. As we study, mainly it is made up of the hard rocks, and it also has the some hills. This is the peninsular plateau. Indian desert. This is the Indian desert, or we can say the Thar desert. Here you may be able to see this this area here. This yellow line. This is the Thar desert of, or Indian desert. It is also known as the Indian desert. So it has the different physiography other than the Ganga Brahmaputra plains or the northern plains. You see the next one, that are the coastal plains. Or at the between the Indian Ocean and the north peninsular plateau, there are the coastal plains. मीन्स अगर इनके बाद हम बात करते हैं, जो नेक्स्ट फॉर्मेशन है वह है हमारी islands. Yes, land formation of these islands is also different from the other part of the India or the other land formation of India. That's why they also have their different characteristics in the land formation. So we can say now there are the total 6 physiographic divisions of India. ओवरऑल जो इंडिया के फिजियोग्राफिक डिवीजन है उनको हमने 6 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है, या जो इंडिया का जो लैंड फॉर्मेशन है, जो लैंड है, उसको टोटली 6 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है. फर्स्ट लेट्स रिवाइज. द फर्स्ट वन इज द नॉर्दर्न एंड द ईस्टर्न माउंटेन्स. ये यहाँ जो हिमालयन माउंटेन्स है वो that is the first physiographic division of India. Second one is the northern plains, or we can say the plains formed by the Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers are the northern plains. Peninsular plateau, the complete it is the peninsular block, complete peninsular block except the coastal areas. जो पूरा का पूरा जो peninsular block है वह पेनिनसुलर प्लेट्यू है, लेकिन उसमें से जो कोस्टल प्लेन्स है, बिकॉज दे हैव टेकन द डिफरेंट फॉर्मेशन अलोंग विद द टाइम के साथ में जब वह वेरियस एक्टिविटीज हुई, फिजियोग्राफिक एक्टिविटीज हुई, तो उन्होंने प्लेट्यू से थोड़ा सा अलग फॉर्मेशन ले लिया, उनका जो फॉर्मेशन अलग बन गया. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर in the physical divisions or the physiographic divisions, those are not considered as the part of the peninsular plateau. Or the fourth physical division or physiographic division of India is the Indian desert or the Thar desert. It is the part of the Rajasthan. And the fifth one is the coastal plains. Coastal plains means all the area which lies on the coast of the Indian Ocean. And the sixth one is the islands of the island groups of India are the part of the Indian country, or it is the as the physical division of India.